Hi everyone, my name's Tracy. Welcome to our channel. We are today ordering the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and we're going to do the pre-ordering so we get it next week. Today's date is the 13th of September 2019, and the proposed delivery date is going to be a week later, so we'll be doing the unboxing and things at that point, so I hope you check back with us. So Mike and I sat down together, that's my husband, and we decided that we would have a look at the trade-ins and see if that was a possibility for us, or we could just take it to a local store and trade that in. So you'll be hearing conversations that we have about that later. We've also thought about going and taking the phone when they do arrive over to the store that's local to us, which is in Leicester, and the store will then transfer everything over from our phones to the new ones, which is great because I don't like messing about with them, but I do like using them. This is hubby. He's the one that's going to be placing the order, and if anything goes wrong, he'll be sorting it out. So step one then, we decided to ring the Apple store and talk to the staff about the processes we wanted to go through, and to see if they were still doing the 1 o'clock start, and the first thing we got was put on hold. Well, that's good if you can, when you ring up and you can choose the music you listen to, at least it saves you listening to,
I think they should ask you for your name, and they say, we're dedicating this song to and it's just join the waiting in the queue.
Just join the waiting in the queue for the iPhone. Okay, so what we've decided to do now then is to actually order online. The happy witching hour of 1 o'clock's arrived, and we're on the website ordering 2 iPhone 11 Pro Maxes and 1 watch, Series 5. So let's see how that goes. Really love this tracking process that you can do on the website. We can see that the order's been placed. We can then see when it's been processed, when they're preparing to ship it, when it's been shipped, and then when it's been delivered, so that we can always check unless anyone's intercepted it in the post. So looking forward to that arriving. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the next video, which will be this beauty arriving, and we'll be able to show you how we unbox it and what it all looks like. So that's it for now. If you could subscribe to the channel, like the video, and put some comments below if you want us to particularly look at anything that's coming up with these boxes arriving. We've got the watch coming and the 2 iPhones. We'd be more than happy to do that, but we really appreciate your comments. It is our first video, so be kind to us, please. Thank you.